welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. My name is Alice Amy, and this channel is all about motherhood. It's all about beauty, cooking, and lifestyle videos. Yeah, so if you enjoy such content, keep it up here and do not forget to subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping it up here. Alright, and thank you for always watching my videos. I see the likes, I see the comments, I see you guys share my content, and I'm very grateful for that. Yeah, so in this video I just want to show you how to assemble a 3-in-1 hip baby carrier. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to start with this without this. Yeah, so you can see it has so many handles, all this. So I want to show you how to go about, or how to funza each of them. So first of all, you will start with this here. This one, it is for the hands. That's where you will put the baby hands. I'll show you in the video on how to. Yes, start with up. You can twist it depending on how the hands are, and then on this other side as well, you also need to tie it because it's where you're going to pass the hands. And when you look here and here, there are some buttons which are also here. So this is if you want to twist it up here like this. So you'll have to only put this here and you also put this here. Yes, but if you don't want to put it down a bit, you can just leave it and you use this space to put the baby's hands. Yeah, so another step is this behind part. And this behind part is very simple. It only goes along with this. So you only have to twist it depending on your size. Yes, you can adjust it depending on your size. Yes, and also the last part is this one is also down here. You can adjust depending on your size and how you want the baby, how you want to lift the baby, a bit lower, or do you want the baby to be a bit lower or to be a bit up? So you can adjust depending on your size. Some applies to this, some applies to here. You can adjust depending on your size. So the last one is there are these I don't know how they are called. There are these two down here. So these are for the legs, and we also see these two up here. So you'll have to get one to this side. I just want to show you clearly. Just get one to this side and one on this. Can you see that? And one on this side. So we've been able to put all of them to the right position. So these are for the hands. These up here for the hands, and then in the sides here, these are for the legs. this is where you'll have to put the legs for the baby, up here. And then the last part is joining this on this. So I can see this button here, and then you can see this as well. And also I want to show you guys this. Don't mind about these ones. These ones you can put it back here. You can just make it this, just in case you want to use the hip without this other carrier. Without the carrier. Yeah, so I don't mind about them, what they're supposed to do. Basically to cover this other part in case you only want to use the hip without the carrier. Yes, but if you want to use the carrier, you'll have to join you will have to first of all start with this up here, inside here, and then you ensure that these are locked. They are locked where you're going to put the baby's legs, so you don't have to remove them, just leave them there. So another thing is for you to look for to come up in front here, and you try this and this. Yeah, and you're good to go. So carrier is ready for use. If you are using a 3-in-1. I've showed you where you're supposed to put the hands here, and then the legs are supposed to go here, and the baby in here. Yeah, and then that is it. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. You can check out my other video on the where I'm showing you ways on how to carry. You can check out my other video where I'm showing you how to use a 3-in-1 baby carrier. I'll be putting it here or here or here. Alternatively, you can also go in search in my videos. You're going to find that video not far from this. Yeah, so that was it, guys. If this video was helpful to you, kindly do not forget to subscribe, share the video to someone, to a new mom. Don't let your friends get stuck on how to do something like this. Yes, just share the video. You show them, it will be able to guide them on how to assemble a baby carrier. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the other videos.